In this video, I'll show you 5 different ways to copy trades from traders on Wealthflow into prop firm accounts and how you can use these methods to pass prop firm challenges and make consistent payouts. Let me start by sharing why copy trading is one of the easiest and most stable ways to earn passive income. No learning curve. You don't need to spend months or years learning to trade like a pro. Time efficient. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up and monitor. No personal capital required. You can make money from copy trading without risking a single dollar of your own. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start copying trades from verified traders on Wealthflow into your prop firm accounts. But first, what is a prop firm? Let's break it down. Imagine you find a trader on Wealthflow who makes 10% monthly profits consistently. If you copy these trades to your $100 account, you'd make $10 in profit. But if you copy them to a $100,000 account, that's $10,000 profit. The challenge is, most people don't have $10,000, $50,000, or $100,000 sitting in their accounts to copy these trades. That's where prop firms come in. Prop firms provide you with access to large trading accounts, starting from $5,000, $10,000, and going up to $500,000. You pay a small fee, sometimes as low as $32, to access these accounts. They take all the trading risks, and you share the profits. Typically, you keep 80% of the profits, while the prop firm takes 20%. Prop firms are a game changer, especially when combined with copy trading. Why copy trading with traders on Wealthflow works so well for prop firms? Wealthflow is the first ever verification-based copy trading platform. Here's why this matters. Trader verification. Before traders are listed on Wealthflow, they undergo a 90-day verification process. They must meet strict rules, including no more than 5% daily drawdown, no more than 10% total drawdown, consistent monthly profits. Ongoing monitoring. Even after verification, traders are monitored by the platform's algorithm. If they break any of these rules, they are immediately delisted. What this means is that traders on Wealthflow are some of the most reliable and consistent traders you can find to grow your prop firm accounts or pass challenges. The 5 ways to copy trades from traders on Wealthflow to a prop firm account. 1. Direct copy to prop firm account. This is the most straightforward method. You subscribe to a trader on Wealthflow and connect your prop firm account directly to them. Anytime the trader places a trade, it is automatically copied to your prop firm account. Key tip: this method works best if your prop firm account allows for direct copy trading, and if they don't, then the other methods works best. 2. Copy to a small account, then to prop firm with a copier. This method gives you more flexibility and works with nearly all prop firms. How it works: you subscribe to a trader on Wealthflow and connect your small account with $100, $300, or $5,000, or even a demo account. Then you use a trade copier, like Traders Connect, to copy trades from your small account to your prop firm account. Steps: subscribe to a trader on Wealthflow. Connect your small trading account or demo account to the trader on Wealthflow. Use a trade copier like Traders Connect to replicate trades from your small account to your prop firm account. Pro tip: Traders Connect is highly compatible with Wealthflow, making this method seamless. Check out the link in the description below. 3. Copy with email alerts to prop firm account. This method is perfect if you prefer manual control over your trades. How it works: Wealthflow provides an email alert feature. Every time the trader you subscribe to enters or closes a trade, you receive an email notification. You then manually replicate these trades in your prop firm account. Steps: subscribe to a trader on Wealth prop firm account. Pro tip: this method ensures you stay in full control and can adjust for any prop firm specific rules. 4. Copy to prop firm with cross-platform trade. Copier. What if your prop firm account doesn't use MT5 but another platform like CTrader, DXTrader, or TradeLocker? This is where cross-platform trade copiers come in. How it works: you connect a small account on MT5 to a trader on Wealthflow. Then, you use a cross-platform copier to transfer trades from your MT5 account to your prop firm account on platforms like CTrader. If you're still unsure about how to implement any of these methods, don't worry. In my next videos, I'll do a live demo showing step-by-step how to copy trades from traders on Wealthflow to a prop firm account. Plus, I'll share one exclusive strategy that I couldn't include here. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss it. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help.